Alright, here's the deal. This is the Autel EVO Max 4T, and its makers say it'll redefine enterprise drone flight. But after spending real-world hours putting it through the paces, I discovered things those marketing videos don't mention. Curious if it's really worth your hard-earned cash? Stick around, because by the end, you'll know exactly who this drone is and who it isn't. A lesson I wish I'd learned before clicking buy first. Product overview. So, what is the EVO Max 4T? Well, Autel Robotics unveiled it at CES in January 2025. It's their flagship enterprise drone geared toward first responders, inspectors, and pro-level creators who need serious capability under mission-critical conditions. Think of it as a rugged, foldable powerhouse with autonomy features designed to thrive where GPS might fail, like underground, urban canyons, or disaster zones. Its key selling point, a multi-sensor payload wrapped in high-end obstacle avoidance and anti-interference tech. It's built for pros who need reliability and a whole lot of situational awareness. Price? Expect around $8,999. Not cheap, but no fluff either. Performance. Okay, specs are great, but how does it feel to actually fly this thing? I took it out on several missions, a search and rescue scenario simulation, rooftop inspections, plus low-light testing. Out of the box, it deploys fast. Folded form, snap the props, and you're airborne in under 30 seconds. In smooth mode, it's drone ballet, predictable, stable, and precise. Crank it to ludicrous, and yes, it does haul through gusty winds convincingly. Still, the advertised 42-minute max flight felt optimistic, more like 26 minutes once wind kicked in, so plan accordingly. The real kicker is resistance to interference. Flying near telecom towers or metal-dense structures, it stayed locked and steady, no janky signal, no phantom moves, and the mesh network functionality gives someone like you or me the power to manage multiple drones with one control, monster useful for professional ops like perimeter sweeps or large area mapping. Features and tech. Sensor suite, zoom, wide, thermal, and laser rangefinder. The 48-megapixel zoom camera lets you nail distant details, think license plates or structural cracks from a safe distance. The wide-angle camera gives you crisp context shots, and the thermal plus laser combo means you can see heat, measure range all in one pass. 720-degree obstacle avoidance with millimeter-wave radar. Unlike traditional drones, this one combines stereo vision with millimeter-wave radar to detect obstacles as small as 0.5 inches, even in low light or rain, so you can fly in complex terrain without heart-stopping close calls. Anti-jam, anti-interference, and GPS denial navigation. It can shrug off RFI, EMI, and even GPS spoofing. Plus, it can navigate in GPS-denied spaces like inside buildings or tunnels, critical in emergency scenarios or industrial environments. Autonomous pathfinding and mission tools. Through Autel's Enterprise app, it plans 3D flight paths, polygon scanning jobs, waypoint missions. You can even pinch and stack quick tasks mid-flight. It's not just smart, it's mission smart. Design and build. Design-wise, this thing feels like a tank. Foldable aluminum arms and a sturdy chassis, yet folds down to about the size of a large book, so it's packable. At 3.6 pounds, though, it's not exactly micro-travel friendly. The IP43 rating gives you rain, light toughness, and strobe LEDs mean you'll stay visible in low-light operations. That said, the body does accrue fingerprints, minor but something to consider if you're shooting in dusty or oily industrial zones. Overall, premium, rugged, but a bit hefty for casual users. Pros. Rock-solid flight and signal in tough conditions. Smart autonomy simplifies mission planning. Fast, rugged, deploys in under a minute. Cons. Pricey and heavy. Finish shows fingerprints. Final verdict. So, who is the EVO Max 4T? If you're a first responder, industrial inspector, or enterprise operator who flies in tough environments, needs long-range visibility, and wants autonomy on lock, it's an absolute powerhouse. Compared to consumer models, this feels like a professional-grade toolbox, not a toy. But if you're a hobbyist videographer or casual outdoor creator on a budget, this may be overkill. Expensive, heavy, and built for mission tasks, not cinematic fluff. In that case, a DJI FPV or Mavic might suit you better. Bottom line, the 4T shines where reliability, multi-sensor fusion, and interference resistance matter most. It's not a consumer drone, it's a professional partner. And if that's your world, this is one hell of a dependable ally to have in the field.
Outro and call to action.
So, that's my full breakdown of the Autel EVO Max 4T. What do you think? Are you thinking of grabbing one for work or pro projects? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear how you'd put it to use. If this review helped, a thumbs up would be amazing. Don't forget to subscribe for more honest, real-world tech breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.